Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video, and can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.71 trillion. And we are up 6.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40%. Guys, looking at the overall markets, you guys can see we are finally starting to see green once again happen in the cryptocurrency markets, mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a rebound happen. And I have been mentioning this over the last 2 to 3 days, guys, that, we should not be worrying right now. We're still in a bull market. And let's not forget, we are in Q4. And, Q4 does tend to be a very, very exciting time around the crypto space. And, but, one thing that should not be ignored is that there are going to be times where we do see whale manipulation occur, because at the end of the day, whales try to manipulate the markets to shake out the weak hands, and you do not want to be the weak hand. But you guys can see we are seeing a nice reversal happen, and I do believe the month of December is going to be very, very bullish, and we're going to close out this year of 2021 very nicely for the cryptocurrency markets. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that coin is Solana. All right, my Solana family, right off the bat, before I begin, I just want to say thank you for all the support that you guys are showing me. I love you all, and just remember, your support does not go unnoticed, and it literally keeps me pushing for making videos for you guys. So keep supporting me, and I will keep on making these videos for you guys. But I have a surprise for my Solana holders in this video, and that is that basically, you know what? I can't even tell you guys the surprise. You guys have to watch this video till the end to find out what that surprise is. But now looking at the price of Solana, you guys can see Solana is currently trading at $202.60. We are up 8.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 1.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana is holding very nicely at that top 5th spot in the cryptocurrency market ranking, and the market cap right now is $61.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1.8 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 10,600%, so let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices. But now let's get into the exciting stuff. What's happening with the Solana price, and where is Solana going in the immediate short term? So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see we're back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And again, should not be coming as a surprise to any one of you guys, because we should not be ignoring how good, how strong the overall momentum is for Solana over the past 1 year, and this is going to continue as we close out this year and go into 2022. So as you guys can see, we did see Solana go all the way down to $181 just yesterday. We saw a wick. We're back into this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, but we have seen a beautiful bounce back towards the upside, obviously mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a rebound. But we're back into the 23.6 zone, and we'll take that, because if you guys don't know, I treat the 23.6 zone as all-time high territories. But right now, all eyes are on this price level, guys, at this $218.58. This is where all our eyes are on right now, because this is a very, very major level of resistance, and I need Solana price to be above here at all costs. But we'll definitely take that, obviously one step at a time. But right now, all my eyes are still on that $218 mark for Solana. But let's look at Bitcoin price briefly, and then we will come and talk more about Sol. As you guys can see, Bitcoin has seen a beautiful, beautiful bounce up towards the upside. We got a bounce from this $53,267 level. We did not manage to break below 53,000, so we'll definitely take that. And we saw a nice bounce back towards the upside, but we're still not out of the woods just yet. And now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, we're up 6.1%. Why are we not out of the woods just yet? Because guys, I have been mentioning this level of resistance at $60,250 level. This price level should not be ignored right now, guys, because if Bitcoin is below here, we're still not out of the woods just yet. So I need Bitcoin price to go above here, and then we are talking. But right now, we'll definitely take that. But you guys should be monitoring the Bitcoin price very, very closely, especially in the next couple hours. If we're able to break above here, I strongly believe we will be able to. Then we will be in the safer end of the spectrum. But still, so far, nice moves happening within the space. But a BTC dominance as well, you guys can see, spiked up from a couple of days ago, but that should not be coming as a surprise too, because we do tend to see altcoin profits. So people tend to move their altcoin profits back into Bitcoin, especially when Bitcoin is in downwards trend, because Bitcoin holds very strongly compared to altcoins. So that's why we do see BTC dominance rise up in those times around. But we're seeing BTC dominance starting to decline. But this should not be a time to get fooled, because we never know if Bitcoin shoots up and starts heading towards all-time highs. This number is still going to increase. So that factor should not be ignored as we speak. But now, if we are looking at Sol's price, Sol is looking very, very nice. But something that was very, very funny and unfortunate was that I was seeing some comments. But again, these comments are not coming from Sol family, the Sol community. These are obviously trolls that come here, try to create FUD, panic, to basically at the end of the day, they have nothing better to do but create FUD. There was a bunch of comments coming in, a bunch of trolls coming in and saying, oh, Sol is done, Sol is going back down to $100, this and that, bull run is over, blah blah blah. These are the people, guys. The reason as to why I want to share this with you guys is because I have been in these markets for a couple of years now, almost 6.5 years. I have been in the cryptocurrency markets, and when I was coming in new into the markets, I sometimes let these guys get to me. But now, I want to share, because I care about each and every one of you guys. I want to share these, things with you guys, these life lessons that I have learned along the way. And you guys do not want to be falling for any of these guys' comments. This is what you need to do. If you strongly believe in a project and its vision, then that's all you need to do. You just need to hodl, have patience, and that's literally it. You do not want to fall for what this person is saying or XYZ person is saying, or how they're creating FUD. No, if you believe in the project's vision, guys, and you believe in where the project will be in the long term, especially if you're in for the long haul, then patience is your number one key to follow. Look at Ethereum, for example. Ethereum, I literally remember, guys, as if this was yesterday. The reason as to why I always like bringing the Ethereum example is because Solana and Ethereum are very much alike, and even by the price momentum. I remember Solana. I remember Solana at $3, and I also remember Ethereum at $7. How crazy does that sound? Now you may be asking yourself, Crypto ZX, you should be retired. You should be driving Lambos right now if you saw Ethereum at that price. But that just literally goes to show what patience gets you. And around that time, I was seeing Ethereum went all the way to $100, $200, and people were commenting, oh, Ethereum is this, Ethereum is that, Ethereum is a crap coin, blah blah blah. But look where Ethereum's at now. So you do not want to be falling for anyone's words. As long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience is your number one key to follow. And Solana, as you guys know, is one of the biggest Ethereum competitors, and that's why we're seeing so much momentum building up in this community and the ecosystem itself. And this is only going to continue, and I do believe that the month of December we are going to smash past this all-time high and really see some newer all-time highs for Solana. And if we were to see the parabolic type of moves that we saw back in 2017, obviously the cryptocurrency market has matured compared to that time around. If I am talking historically, pattern-wise, we were seeing more gains being made around that time around. The same time around, during that bull run, we were seeing more gains being made. But now the market is maturing. So obviously that, factor needs to be in play as well. But, still, we cannot forget we cannot forget Solana was just at $3 just last year alone. So that's some things that a lot of people tend to forget. So we need to keep that factor in mind, and you need to know that it's only it's one step at a time. It's not going to shoot up to the sky on to $10,000 in a day. No, it's gradual movements and innovation day by day. That's how it works. But I am, if we're bringing out the measuring tool, guys, we are about we're about we're about 30% away from all-time highs. This literally makes me very excited for the Solana community. I really do believe the month of December is going to be very bullish, and especially if we're above this level, guys, this level of resistance, that's basically it. Like, we just need enough buying pressure in, and we are off to the races. At $350 to 375 would be my next price target for Solana once we break out of this range, because you guys know, once we break out of all-time highs, then we are in all-time high territories. You never know how much you never know where the price could go. Literally, the sky's the limit, because there's no level of resistance or support. So it all depends on how much demand there really is kicking in. During a bull cycle, the demand is quite high, and we're already starting to see that what's happening. But moral of the story is, you know patience is your number one key to follow. And also, one thing before I end this video, guys, Solana is looking extremely bullish still. Like I said, I do expect it to break all-time highs. But one thing I want to share with you guys is that, let's say the money that you're sitting at right now, okay, if you're in for the long haul, you don't care, then it's totally different. But let's say you are here to cash out some profits this bull cycle. Then, guys, when you are sitting, even now you may be asking yourself, Crypto ZX, we're not even near all-time highs. Why would I be asking myself this question? Guys, we need to be asking ourselves these questions every single time, because we do not want to get greedy around any time around, not only with Solana, any cryptocurrencies. If you always want to be asking yourself, hey, is the money that I'm sitting at right now, is it too much that I cannot afford to lose? Let me repeat that again. Is the money that I'm sitting at right now, is that too much that I cannot afford to lose? If the answer is yes, guys, it's the best that you have some safety measures in place. Let's say you do not want to take profits or lock in profits. Great, fine. But you want to have risk measures in place, such as stop losses. So in case a price drops to a specific price where you're okay to, let your order go through, then, you can lock in profits. But you need to have these risk measures in place, because it's very important. But overall, guys, Solana is looking very nice, and I do believe that month of December is going to be very bullish for the ecosystem. And if you're in for the long haul, guys, I always like sharing this with you guys. Might sound like a broken record to this point, but this is something that a lot of Solana holders ignore. You would be surprised how many Solana holders ignore, even though 77.37% of the supply is staked. Now, you may be coming to me and saying, Crypto ZX, why would people be ignoring? Trust me, guys, I get so many emails, comments saying, how do I stake Solana, this and that. So if you're in it for the long haul, you think Solana ecosystem is going to take over Ethereum, and even market cap wise, it could take over Ethereum in the next coming years, then you might want to stake your Solana. Because now you may be asking, why would I stake my Solana? Basically, you earn passive income, and you can compound that, and that grows as time goes by. So maybe in the next 2 to 3 years, you will be sitting at way more than you would be now. So it's basically free money, so you want to take advantage of this. So please, guys, if you are a Solana holder, you want to check that out. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where you could see Solana price go at the end of this year. But now comes the exciting part, the surprise that I want to share with you guys, and that is, I want to give away $200 worth of Solana. So basically, you know what? Well, I give away one SOL token to one lucky winner as a token of appreciation for all the support that you guys are showing me. I love you all, and I want to give back to one of you guys. I wish I could give back to all of you guys. Hopefully we get to that point, but I want to, give back, because I love you all, and just remember, your support is super appreciated, and I love you all. So the rules are very simple, guys. All we have to do is we have to reach 500 likes on this video. I'll give it 2 days. So within the next 48 hours, if this video after being uploaded reaches 500 likes, one lucky winner will get a $200 worth of one Solana token, on my behalf. So all you have to do to enter is like, subscribe, and comment. That's literally it. You can enter as many times as you want in the comment section below, but please keep it respectful, and that's it. So good luck, guys. And if we are able to reach this criteria, then one lucky winner would get one soul token from my behalf, as a token of appreciation. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And the month of December, we are going to be having tons of giveaways like this. So like the button, subscribe, and comment down below, and that's all you have to do. Crypto ZX channel is going to reach the moon. My target is 100,000, and I know we will get there. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.